Dear partner, on this warm and joyful Dragon Boat Festival, I would like to sincerely express my blessings and gratitude to you. Thank you for your contributions to the team, which have brought immense value and motivation. Through our collective efforts, we have become stronger and more united. May our future cooperation be smooth and enjoyable, with our work and businesses flourishing. On this special festival, I offer heartfelt gratitude and wishes for the well-being, health, and prosperity of you and your family. May you have a joyful and safe Dragon Boat Festival.